Hello guys, and you're welcome to our channel. Hey my people everywhere, don't meant oh hey, as Wunmi Toriola, the actress Wunmi Toriola, in tears as she begs for forgiveness after a secret affairs exposed. Finally they don't cast Wunmi Toriola, and now she's really in deep tears as she begs the husband for forgiveness. Hey my people everywhere, don't meant oh everywhere, don't meant. Hey, if you are watching our video for the very first time, please, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel because we've got a hot gist for you. I also like you to comment in the comment section box below, like, and also subscribe to our channel. My people, if you have subscribed already, we would like you to like and also comment in the comment section box below. Hey, group are scattered like this. Oh hey, role model the para for a recruit sef the para say role model they deny them. Everywhere is in flames. As the type we go settle this matter like this. Somebody call Auntie Kemi to come and settle this matter. I come in peace. That was what a blogger wrote. As Wunmi Toriola doesn't even have a choice on what to do because everything that she has kept a secret. The Yoruba adage says ohun tí òkú tó sin ẹsẹ̀ ti yọ síta. So now the essence of the òkú is finally out, and there's not even sand again that she can use to cover up the oku's leg. And now everywhere don't melt, everywhere is melting, and they are melting and going because hey, voila has happened that even ambulance service carrying people up and down. Hey my people, like seriously. It is this the Wunmi Toriola now begs people. He now begs, tries to beg the popular gist lover after she was after she started saying nonsense, and after she started a chaos like that, after she started saying something bad to the popular blogger gist lover, and also even what's called our followers, even our followers also, they were trying to recruit themselves and blog and report the popular blogger in order to block her and also to terminate her blog, her page. But that was why she wrote that group don't scatter them, don't block admin like this, and it remain make Wunmi Toriola feel of straw slippers for Wunmi. Una dey gang up against God pikin, na stone una go use break each other head. Shebi una one secret, una don see am now. Eti riwere. Like seriously, that was what the popular blogger this lover wrote on her page, as she was really getting vexed that even people who are Wunmi Toriola's followers, they try to gang up against her and to cause a violence and to report her in order for her to get blocked from Instagram. And so that was how she reacted, and she was like, hey, you never see anything, you go see Chris now, say you think say you don't meant abi. So that is why people started reacting, say hey, that violence don't happen, violence happen. Even people, like seriously, there has been some funny responses from people. Even this popular blogger posted the guy that was giving Wunmi Toriola woro for every corner. She posted his picture on the Instagram page, on her Instagram page, that see the person Wunmi Toriola that is giving bola to Wunmi Toriola every corner, and forgetting say she has a husband in the house. Hey, that was when people start to react, giving funny comments that even when you even see the comment and you start reading them, you'll even be shocked. Say so people really dement. So now somebody contact this person can say that hey, ìlú tí ń dàrú bọ̀ o, òpin ayé ti dé o, you are going nowhere. Hey, and so another person said this is Oniworo Woro, and another person said that hey, give us. Now another people that are good for them, that why would they be planning something like that against someone, all because he revealed the secret of this person. And so that is when Wunmi Toriola now went to the person to Gistlover's personal page and was like, hey, please, oh, I beg you, Mama Ejeburel. And this popular blogger refuses to speak and refuses to respond to Wunmi Toriola because she has already caused so much trouble, and she has already, from the onset, she started blocking everyone, even anyone that say I on her page, she blocked them down. She shall one blocking, and now when she now sees that the secret is now out, is leaked already, so she's now trying to beg the popular blogger who is Gistlover in order to close the case and make everything silent. That was when she now wrote in a message, in her Instagram message to this popular blogger that, hey, hello Ejeburel, I don't have control over fans, calm down ma. But this blogger says she no go agree because she don't show for before say she get mouth, she get bad mouth, wey be say she go use to dey spoil people, to dey destroy people's image. Now so she say she go use everything she have to destroy, and she go seek grace for person here. She think say na only her, na him she get grace for head. Hey, that was when this popular actor now posted the picture of this guy that was giving Wunmi Toriola gbola, and she now reacted. She now wrote on that, she captioned and said that she be all of una wan see crazy abi ifi eferi were here we go ayo. That was Wunmi's husband. How many times I call you, see your rival, we post their chat in some minute, let me gather the chat finish, no go burn some for any jeje Wunmi Toriola fill us with Wunmi Toriola herself don't make useless talk shaking by force. Hey, seriously, this Wunmi Toriola don't jam person wey get craze for her. Say no be say because you be celebrity na here you go dey do anyhow, they do nyama for everybody, just they toju everybody, they toju lemole. So there was this person just is going to treat a focus. Say even if they catch you, it is for you to correct your ways and to turn away from your bad attitude or from your bad stuff like that. And she also now later now posted everything those people that were following Wunmi Toriola on a particular WhatsApp page called Wunmi Toriola Philos, and they were planning evil thing against the popular blogger Wunmi Toriola. And so people were even reacting on it. Hey, and I say I never even enter on a mama case. Una dey plan to report. Koni da fun gbogbo yin. Wetin be what Wunmi Toriola Philos? Abi no one benson for Wunmi and Ayeye Philos for doing this alone. Let me first post Wunmi side nigga, and I go post chat later where in the plan with the guy to leave Ayawu husband. Hey, abi make eye blanks jam all the Wunmi Toriola Philos. Make una check next post for una mama side nigga picture. It meant that was what this popular blogger said. Hey, concerning the what's it called, the messages that those people on Wunmi Toriola's Philos concerning what they were planning. And so people was just like, hey, they were just reacting, say, see them stand, Restan and Pakistan. Hey, seriously, people they're just giving funny comments. Say, you wanna see craze? She very well. Oh yeah, Okpa is ready. From zigzag line with a bow, please. Seriously, people are just that because they were really disappointed that even when you know that you are wrong, and yet you are still trying to drag things and that, instead of you to succumb and be silent, you just show that you get mouth, you get head for them, you won't scatter everything. And last now she's now begging, she's now asking for forgiveness. And somebody even said that, hey, even as she's doing in the movie that she normally do somebody that asks grace for head, say maybe she's even doing that for the husband in the house. And now that she don't cast already, that everything don't open, you don't see Furadi, say hey, down she go calm down, her body go calm down. Even the husband said maybe thinking, say this time na be the opportunity where she go use to just jar the load of Wunmi Toriola away on top everything. Say waiting she get that the husband no get, waiting the guy get that the husband, even the husband they wealthy, that he satisfy Wunmi Toriola with everything. Now what is she looking for that she now had to go and do such terrible that even the guy self fine reach the husband will be Ayo will be Wunmi Toriola's husband. Hey my people, That is how we see him. That is how we see him for today. Like seriously, hey, we hope and we wait for your view and your comment on top this matter. As we meet Toriola, they beg, they use their mouth to they sweep the floor, say then please they should do my people will wait for your own reply, wait for your opinion and your view concerning this matter. We love you so much.
Please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Subscribe. Share this video. Subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends to subscribe to this channel.